Hi everyone, welcome back to Art of Zekia. Let's have fun at drawing and learning together. Grab your pencil and let's get started. Step 1, draw the body. Start with the butterfly body by drawing a small circle or oval shape at the top for head and drawing a long oval shape in the center. Step 2, draw the upper wings, one each side of the body. Draw a large, slightly curved triangle or teardrop shape for the upper the wings. Make sure the top part of wings is wide and curved smoothly. The wings can be drawn according to your liking. Step 3, draw the lower wings below the upper wings that are rounded or as a like a shape. Connect to the body. Draw two thin lines come out of the head for the antenna. Step 4, add patterns of the wings. Inside the wings, draw pattern like circles, strips, or waves lines. Encourage creativity pattern can vary. Make sure the pattern on both sides are same. If you enjoy learning to draw, please support my channel and by liking, sharing and subscribing. Your support helps me create more fun and creative content for you all. Let's keep drawing together. At the end of the video, I explain the pencil numbers and their shade in detail. So make sure to watch the entry videos. Step 5, outline the butterfly. Outline the butterfly with a darker pencil or fine tip marker to make it stand out. Pencils HB, 2 HB pencil, 4 HB pencil, 6 HB pencil, 8 HB, 10 HB. Shading pencils are classified by their hardness or softness, affecting the darkness and texture of the marks they produce. HB pencil, medium hardness, produces light to medium shades, good for sketching and outline. 2 HB pencil, slightly after than HB, creative slightly darker shades, ideal general shading. We are all using common pencil is 2 HB. 4 HB, softer give us darker and smoother shades, great for subtle gradients. Step 6, add shading. Use pencil to shade dark the body entirely. Shade the darker area in the pattern such as a bold shape near the edges of the wings. Add lighter shading to the inner wings patterns for depth. Continue the pencil shade. 6 HB, even softer, provides rich dark tones suitable for deep shadows. 8 HB, very soft, creates very dark and bold shape, excellent for dramatic effect. 10 HB, the softest, produces the darkest shade with a rich velvety texture used for intense shading and fine art. The higher the numbers, the softer the pencil and darker the shades. Final step. Final clean up any stray lines with an eraser. Thank you for watching.